In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add navigation bar in Blogger. A navigation bar is an essential part of any website because it helps visitors easily move between different sections of your blog. It improves user experience and makes your site look more organized and professional. To get started, open your Blogger dashboard and make sure you are logged in to the correct blog. The first step is to create the pages that will appear in your navigation bar. On the left-hand side menu, click on the Pages section. This is where you can manage all the static pages for your blog, such as About, Contact, or any other important sections you want your visitors to access. Once you are inside the Pages section, click on the option to create a new page. Enter a title for your page and add the content you want to include. After that, publish the page to make it live. You can repeat this process to create multiple pages, depending on how many items you want to display in your navigation bar. After creating your pages, the next step is to add them to your blog's navigation menu. To do this, go to the Layout section from the left-hand menu. This area shows the structure of your blog and allows you to add and manage different elements. Scroll through the layout until you find a section labeled Page List. This widget is responsible for displaying your navigation menu. Once you locate it, click on the Edit icon to open its settings. Inside this panel, you can customize how your navigation bar will appear. You can start by giving your page list a name, depending on how you want it to be labeled on your blog. Then, use the option to add items to the list. Select the pages you created earlier and include them in your navigation menu. Continue adding each page until your menu is complete. You can also adjust the order of your menu items by moving them into your preferred position. This allows you to organize your navigation bar in a way that makes the most sense for your visitors. Once everything is set up, make sure the option to display the widget is enabled. Then click Save to apply your changes. After saving, refresh your blog to see the updated navigation bar. And that's it! You have successfully created and added a navigation bar to your Blogger site, making it easier for visitors to explore your content. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.